वेलकम टू येट अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन ऑफ आस्क मी एनीथिंग, जहां पर दोस्तों आप मेरे से फाइनेंस इंडस्ट्री से जुड़े और फाइनेंस करियर से जुड़े अपने सवाल पूछते हैं और मैं अपने अनुभव से आपको उनका ऑब्जेक्टिव आंसर देने की कोशिश करता हूँ। टुडेज लास्ट क्वेरी यार which I am now answering is from Raj God, and Raj says that, sir, how much is an ideal time to clear CFA level 1 for an average student? So again यार इसका यार मैथ्स बहुत इजी है। आपको मैं अपने कोर्स करिकुलम में कैसे ये प्रिपेयर होता है उसके थ्रू राज समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ। सो ऑन एन एवरेज यार दिस एंटायर कोर्स टेक्स यू 6 months of time. So what I have done here, I have broken the entire curriculum of CFA in, small lectures, right? And if you are able to spend just 1 hour to 90 minutes on a daily basis, then in 3 to 4 months, यार, your entire curriculum gets over. CFA के अंदर 10 टॉपिक्स हैं, बट मैंने बहुत ही कंसेप्चुअल तरीके से यार इन सारे टॉपिक्स को पढ़ा रखा है। तो अगर आप 1 से 1.5 घंटा भी राज यू आर एबल टू गिव ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, then very easily, in 3 to 4 months, all these 10 topics, they get covered for you. And the beauty is here that I have not only taught the concepts of each of these topics through a lot of real life examples, right? But I have also explained these concepts in Excel so that tomorrow when you are giving your exam and cracking this exam, you are not just ready for the next level, but you are also ready for jobs. बिकॉज यार ये कॉन्सेप्ट जब आप एक्सेल में सीखते हो तो आपके पास बहुत प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज आता है, एंड एनी रिक्रूटर इज लुकिंग एट अ कैंडिडेट and is trying to gauge whether the candidate has practical knowledge or not, and that is what my curriculum provides you. Not only helps you prepare for the CFA level 1 curriculum, but also gives you real Excel examples so that you are also ready for the jobs. Second, once your 3 to 4 months of diligence is over, your 10 topics get over, then I provide you 6 mock exams, right? And these 6 mock exams will help you not just revise the curriculum, but you will also get to know by giving these 6 mock exams which topics you are not scoring well. And hence, you can go back, pick up these topics where you are not scoring well and revise these topics. So that each of these 6 mock exams, when you give one per week, in just 6 weeks, 6 mock exams, 1 per week is equal to 6 weeks, which is approximately 1.5 to 2 months. So in 1.5 to 2 months, your entire curriculum should, your entire mock exams and revision should get over. So 3 to 4 months for your curriculum to get over, and another 1.5 to 2 months for your mock exams and revisions. So just by investing 90 minutes on a daily basis, in 6 months, you should ideally be thoroughly be ready. How I have come up with this thumb rules? So over the last 5-6 years, I have taught thousands of students, and these students, when I survey them, I have found out that the one who are able to succeed are the ones who are able to give this 90 minutes of time on a daily basis, and on an average, they take 6 months to complete this curriculum, right? So Raj, I hope this gave you a lot of clarity. Wish you all the luck, May you quickly complete your CFA levels and are able to then join the league, which is this financial league with top-notch financial analysts, right? Just in case you need any preparation help, my lecture series is always available. The same is provided in the YouTube description if you are going through the same on YouTube, or if you're going through this YouTube, answer offline, then Vineet, who's our student coordinator, should be able to help you with this. Great, Dosto, I hope you gained a lot from the session today. If you are excited to start your journey in finance and want to prepare CFA, friends, I am here to help you. I have prepared the entire CFA level 1 curriculum in very easy to understand lecture series. It has a lot of practical examples, right, from the finance industry and business industry, where I've explained you every concept, linking it to how this concept is used in the real financial world, like fiscal policy, monetary policy. I've picked up real quotes from the industry to explain you these concepts. So do give it a try, because that way your concepts will really go not in your mind, but in your heart. Number 2, I really and truly believe that your CFA level 1 is fruitful only if you qualify for a good financial role. And how will that happen? If you pick up these concepts and are able to apply in the real practical financial world in your jobs. So what I have done is picked up all these concepts, and I've also taught you in my lecture series how to apply this in your Excel, so that your proficiency in Excel, knowledge of Excel is also enhanced. So with these two, In just 3 to 4 months with my lecture series, you can prepare the entire curriculum. Also, you will get 6 mock exams, which once given once every week will take you 1.5 2 months for your mock exams and revision. That way, in just 4 plus 2, which is 4 months for the curriculum to get over, 2 months for your mock exam and revision, in just 6 months, you will be fully prepared for the CFA Level 1. Details of the curriculum as well as a lot of demo sessions are given in the description. Do give it a shot, and trust me friends, it is available at a very, very nominal price. So do give it a shot.